Did I just say I'm a smuggler? Yes, I'm a smuggler. I'm a drone smuggler. Wow, I look really fucking tired. I'm just getting ready, and at 2:30 later, I have a train to Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. Am I saying it right? I've been saying Uzbekistan very long. It's gonna be a 24-hours train ride, so I'm really looking forward to that. Actually, I went to a grocery shop yesterday to buy some food for the train ride later. I just got like Maggi, some packet soup and mashed potatoes. But I have just one issue. I don't have any cutlery. So I'm just gonna walk around later and try to find a place that sells chopsticks or something. In Kazakhstan, I haven't been able to charge my drone because I think the output and the voltage doesn't match. I have no idea why, but every time it either sparks or my charger just doesn't work. So yesterday I messaged my Airbnb in Uzbekistan. Let's call it Tashkent from now on. The city I'll be going to is Tashkent. So I messaged my Airbnb hotel. I was like, oh, and he was like,
oh, can I see what devices are you using?
and so I took a photo and I said it's for my drone. And then he told me that drones were illegal in Uzbekistan. I was shook. And then I went to Google, right? A lot of people say that at the customs, if they see your drone, they will ask you to break the arms of the propellers. Oh my god. I was like in legit shock eh.
Because I literally just bought it just for this trip. And then it's only my third country and I have to break my freaking drone.
Then there were like other people that were saying that if you go through the airport customs, they will ask you to leave it at the airport and then come back and collect it when you leave the country. But the thing is, I'm not taking the plane. I'll be going through overland, so hopefully during the border control they don't check my bag too, how to say, like they don't check it like
Like they just assume there's some random shit that's in my bag or whatever. Fine, I'm just gonna put it deep in my bag. Hopefully the screener doesn't really show what the fuck is that.
I don't know, please. Oh my god, please let me go through this immigration without breaking my drone. Yeah, that's about it. I'm preparing to go off now. It's about 11:30 and I have to check out by 12, so I figured I might as well just get there early so I can like have breakfast. I put on my waterproof casing. I should. Okay, I'm just gonna hold this tripod. Goodbye, my beautiful hostel. Oh my god, I almost say hostel. I'm too used to saying staying at hostels. But yeah, goodbye, my beautiful hotel. I'll miss you and everything. Got my ticket online, so I have to change for the physical ticket. Hey, I just got my physical ticket. I'm like at the railway tracks. There's like so many people, so many baggage. I don't think this is my train yet. Okay, toilet tour. Oh, ew. At least there's toilet paper and then a sink. Holy shit. Holy shit, oh shit. There's soap and what's this? No idea. Plug, light, and a mirror. Oh.
Symphony started, but I was cold-hearted. I didn't know the feelings that I know. Oh no, it was uncharted, but
So I couldn't stand lying down at the top bar anymore, so I'm like sitting literally above a rubbish bin, and like in front of me is the toilet. So I'm gonna smell of toilet, but at least I got space. Fuck! Some guys just came and asked my passport. That's like a very well-known scam of like the police officers hiding your passports and then you have to give them a fine. So I'm like keeping it go. I just got my passport now. Oh, infinite pool. I'm finally about to reach Tashkent. I'm so fucking bad. My skin is so bad. It's already a whole hour late. It's supposed to arrive at 2:30. I made it! I finally finished a 24 hours ride from Almaty to Tashkent. Currently I'm in my Airbnb and I took a shower because I was feeling very disgusting. Like 24 hours with no food and no shower, no food because I keep missing the appropriate time to eat. So like whenever they are eating, I'm not hungry. Then by the time like I want to eat, they're all sleeping. So and I got booted off to the second floor. That's another story altogether. The worst part is like the second floor I can't even sit upright, so there was no chance of me eating. So I ended up like starving throughout the whole. Oh my god, my voice. Let me. So I ended up starving throughout the train ride. Now I'm ready and prepared. I'm gonna go and get some food, get SIM card, change money, and yeah. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to get off the train ride. I have no idea. Why am I speaking like this? Okay, let's go. Okay, I totally forgot to vlog. I was so busy finding like the SIM card operator, no, the mobile operator to get a SIM card, and then I wanted to get some money as well.
I know the bank closed, so I took about 1 hour at the phone operator because everyone kept cutting my queue. I think because I had no impact, you know, I'm not.
That's why I just stood one side wait for everyone to be done. That's why it took so long. What else? Oh yeah. The border crossing. So basically, right, I tried to Google for a lot of information regarding the immigration and stuff. Like, would they check my bag? Am I supposed to like bring down my bag and then go through customs and all? But no. So apparently when you reach the Kazakhstan border, they'll do a 2-hour check. So there will be officers coming in. I think I videoed that secretly. They'll take your passport and then like once it's your turn, you'll go to the front booth and then you'll sit in front there, and then there will be a, I think the leader, and then he'll be typing in some stuff, checking your passport and all. Usually they say what, if you don't get 2 stamps, you'll get they will ask you to pay a fine, but not in my case. I have no idea why. Maybe because like times have changed and they stopped scamming people, I guess. Yep, that was fine. Then after that, about another 10 to 15 minutes to the Uzbekistan border, and then the same thing, like there'll be guards coming in to check your stuff, but this time they check your bags as well. So they will tell you to open up your bags and like see what's inside. But I think because I'm like a girl or whatever, like he didn't really check much of my stuff. Like I took out my thick coat because it was like all the way at the top, and then my chargers and everything, and my drone was all the way down there. But he was like,
Do you smoke?
I'm like,
Do you do drugs?
I'm like, and he say, do you feel the need to smoke? Then I'm like, no. Then he looked at me, and he was like, it's okay, no need to take out anymore, I can put it all back. Then I'm like, yes. Internally I'm like, so I guess I'm quite lucky I got to, you know, bring the drone in. Yeah. Oh, and both times there were dogs coming in to sniff for drugs, I think. Yeah, that was quite cool. Yeah, that's about it. It was a very tedious 4 hours because you literally wait in the cabin for like 2 hours each. And imagine if it's during the summer, all the ACs are off, man. You'll die. I mean, I'll die lah. Even like during this what is it now? Spring? Spring, autumn, spring, I think spring or autumn, whatever it is. Yeah, even during autumn, like it's a bit stuffy already. So can you imagine like summer? Why do this train ride again? Maybe not for a while because 24 hours is really very long. But I think it's a good experience, so you guys should try. It cost me about $70, 55 USD. Yep, so that's about it. See you guys in the next video. Bye!
You are the spark when I'm blind and dark.